do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, I shocked for the video when I see say Easy Ogbede, the very soon she go do marriage. My ogbonge people, una know say many people they say Easy not responsible. Easy not go see husband. She not go see my way go put am for house. She not dey responsible. Not way they not talk follow her. You understand me, my darling people? And they go somewhere mona they listen. They criticize her. They talk so many things. They say she and Sarah they not go see husband because of what they do. I can't they laugh. I can't say. Una know say so many people they will be say they go they responsible. They go even they do only, but they see they single up till now. Una know. They go they do only, but they see they single. But see Easy Ogbede the way una they say not go see husband. He not go see man we go marry him. Man lead down, they engage him. I go put him on as him. He lead down, they engage him. They even beg him join him whether he go marry him. Una remember a video will come at that time now. Una want to say the guy not see the video. He lead down, beg him. Will you marry me? Oh. Una what they do only, una never see your husband up till now. So I want just use this medium to tell you say not be by that one. You understand? Not be by say you they do say you too fine. I know of one woman that time. If you talk of needs, na number one. If you talk of person they responsible, na number one. But men not they take am serious. What one I want tell me say that they cause am. She not the open body She not they do like Easy Ogbede but she not see husband. So now so the life be. So not be by all those things. One will not they criticize people again. Easy go marry very soon, and everybody go see the marriage. And I go still come here, come see tell you and say a marriage. Now I place more for now whether they congratulate her.
Not busy, but I know Sarah will have time.
That thing Thomas day. Ma play for now.
Sarah will be at my wedding. Mama B will be at my wedding. So definitely Easy is coming to my wedding. So it's not a regular wedding, okay? We're going a place, renting a castle. You know, like British tradition marriage. You understand? I know they do Benin tradition, not yet. So we're renting a castle. They're preparing the food, the place, venue, everything. They are the one to plan it. Me, I'm not planning shit. And I'm getting a wedding planner as well. I'm just like, oh, please do the thinking for me because my brain is rust. All right? I'll come and tell you guys about it.
Una the year, because I say make I place more for our video which she do today, where people say they congratulate her. I am so happy for her. I am so happy because social media people now go they shame. People will say she not go see husband for what she they do so. She not go see husband my dear. Not be man one marry am so. Kenny West where they sing a woman. When I remember say that woman open bekus the jogo do man. Or not that man, that video go viral. Kenny West still lead down beg am for marriage. So talk less of Easy Ogbede. Easy Ogbede na man lead down they engage. I don't see people go say that man head not correct. You know see responsible again now by that one. Now by that one.
Don't worry, okay? Oh, I love you, Di. Lillian, thank you. So is this the Lillian I know? The amazing woman. Thank you so much. A very congratulations, sister. You guys, thank you. The congratulations is just like, woo! You guys are amazing. Don't worry, I'll come and tell you about my engagement. I didn't know, okay? I was in my boyfriend's house, and he said to me, come house. I said, you come for work. You're supposed to be here. Where are you? Saying they my side. Okay, that was it. Don't worry, I'll come and tell you. It was amazing. I did not expect it. So it was really nice. But I said yes anyway. It was nice. Thank you, guys. Oh, congratulations, sister. Thank you. Will I stream my wedding on live video? Probably, yes. Because Mama B will call. You know Mama B now. I tell you, see, where is he?
When I know Mama B now, Mama Beatrice or Baika one, the Udo one of social media. she go dey there, live and direct. Even social media president, Enuta alias Eddie Murphy, in go dey there. Sarah go dey there. Kate, sister Kate, go dey there too. You know, easy go see dey there. Not be smarty, oh.
Mama, you come, I already talk. I'm sending you your card in post. Like that, mother of the day. You're coming to my wedding, all right? I'm inviting Sarah. If Kate is free, yes. Easy is for sure. She's going to be the chairlady of that day. So Sarah definitely, Kate definitely, and Mama B definitely. These 3 people are coming to my wedding. If Mama B not come my wedding, like, oh, come my wedding. Excuse me. So yeah, you guys are amazing.
Again, one Igbo woman where they do video. That woman Ikia, now she they talk about Jogo do all those things. Now they man see am na marry am. She get belena. My dear people, I don't say more na go they do all those things. So now I go to see husband. No more, not get me wrong. I just want to tell you now, say not be by the wear mazi or they not they make up. They do like oli. Now a man go te say you dey nice or you dey responsible, not by that one. If man want marry you, go marry you, not go care for what you they do. Again, one girl for Instagram now. That girl they now dance, they dance. Go they even when she they dance, now small thing she they wear in everything go dey ground. Even when she does still marry so. Now she even worse past the one she fed they do. Now she worse pass. She see they do am, if she dey dance, even the man they follow and they do am sometimes. The husband, they follow and they do am. And they shock say, I better say as this girl don't marry, not going to do all those things again. She see they do am everything. If you go wear small knicker, this small knicker go cover all leg makeups, they dance.
I'll they come live video, you know. I'll come when I'm free, just like sneaking out for an hour to live video, go back. I'm happy for you, Izzy. Thank you. My Akia continue, okay? Nothing changed. He just put a ring on it, and I'm going to continue as normal. It's just a ring, guys. It's just a ring. Just put a ring on it. Okay. So, you guys, let me go. Thank you so much. I finished talking. Thank you. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Oh, my sister, congratulations. Congratulations, beautiful woman. Thank you. Saga is coming too. Saga, no, Naekia, they come. Epa will continue the saga for 301 years. And my Ekia continue for 301 years.
Una yes, eh?
So yeah.
Ekia will still continue. Nothing stop. Nothing mega. So, my darling people, I want to congratulate Izzy Ogbede. I am so happy for her, my beautiful sister. We love you. Everybody love you. So, we congratulate you. And this your marriage, eh? It go last. 12 now. That's now use a black hair, say know each other. When I will come use white, say end down. Thank you, my darling people. I want to congratulate woman wey sabi describe Kia. Hey. I know say this is your bed, the husband. When is he go climb am? That man, I know say that man, he don't turn the head. Don't I make you say no? Now I can't wait again. Now I quick carry ring. Now he engage and fast. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Bye.